Come on. Get off my fucking leg. I need to use that tire.
You're gonna get your workout too, huh?
Sure. Hey. Come on. Come on. Hey. Up.
He's tired. He's like, I want the stick, it's easiest to get. You've created a monster, Curtis, because you're lazy, so your dog's lazy.
Come on. Come on. Get it.